Let's talk about setting up 3D printer. For the purpose of this video, we will concentrate on the highly acclaimed Creality Ender 3v3 SE model, which introduces a comprehensive array of new features. The printer boasts remarkable affordability, automatic bed leveling, increased printing speed, and features a proficient sprite direct extruder. The unboxing process was pretty straightforward, reminiscent of the previous generation Ender 3v2 Neo. You get all the typical accessories and tools. Most of the parts are already pre-assembled. Follow these 3 quick steps for assembly. Step 1. Install the gantry. Step 2. Install the screen. Step 3. Install the rack. And you are pretty much ready to go.